How does keto weight loss work? If you really want to lose some extra pounds, maybe you've heard of the ketogenic diet lifestyle, which is commonly referred to as keto diet. It is a preferred weight reduction plan that promises substantial weight loss quickly. However, far from what most individuals may think it to be, the keto diet is not an automatic tool for weight loss. Just like any other diet plan, it takes time, calls for plenty of patience, and also monitoring to see results. Hey, what is the keto diet? The keto diet regimen helps put your body into ketosis. This diet plan is generally reduced carb with high consumption of healthy and balanced fats, vegetables, as well as adequate proteins. Processed foods and sugars are something that should be avoided on this diet. There are numerous types of keto diet plans: basic, ketogenic, cyclical, targeted, and also higher protein diets. The difference between the diets really depends on the carbohydrate intake. The common ketogenic diet regimen is high fat, low carb, as well as sufficient protein is the most recommended. Well, is the keto diet regimen safe? Many skeptics of the keto diet claim that it is not a risk-free because of the focus on taking in high-fat foods. This is led by the false impression that fats aren't good for you. Let me tell you, this couldn't be more wrong. Fats are really good and can be healthy for you. Avocado, fish, nuts, butter, and eggs, coconut oil, seeds like chia, as well as red meat can be great sources of fat on the keto diet. Exactly how does the keto help you lose the weight? So how exactly does the keto diet regimen truly work and aid your body to shed that unwanted fat? When on a high carbohydrate diet plan, your body utilizes sugar from carbs as well as sugars to fuel your body tasks. When on a ketogenic diet plan, your body is heavily restricted of sugars and carbs. With reduced sugar as well as carbohydrate supply, the sugar in the body is tremendously diminished, triggering the body to search for alternate energy resources. The body therefore counts on your unwanted body fat for power, and amazing weight loss is the result of this diet. The state where your body burns fat instead of carbohydrates is called ketosis. When this happens, your body generates ketones as the fuel resource instead of depending on glucose. Ketones as well as sugar are the only two sources of power that sustain the brain. Advantages of ketosis and also the keto diet regimen. Besides just assisting in weight loss, there are some other advantages in putting your body into ketosis. Below are a few of them. Boosted psychological quality, improved physical energy, stable blood glucose levels that make it an excellent solution for epilepsy and also diabetes. Enhanced beautiful skin tones, lower cholesterol levels, balance out hormones, especially in females. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming notifications. Thank you.